Yeah, the measure the computer attachment point also. Close it too, close it too. So they will come on Monday to put the key. Just come out. You can see how the thing look like. You can see it. You can see it. So now to sweep this place. So the thing is dried now. So they come on Monday to put the key and the hanger up there. So that we can see. Let me cut this way. See the work. See the work. Even burn this place. Put this place fire. This place don't burn. You can see. Set this place on fire. So don't burn reach end that place. So this is the place now. It's cleared down. It's cleared down. It's cleared down.
Since yesterday.
So you can see the gate. That thing is dust. That thing is dust. A dust.
Go back. Don't just go back to house.
So it's now sweepable. Thank you. So it's swept now. So don't sweep them.